Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. It is the holiday season and we have family coming over constantly, and I always need an extra bed for someone, someplace for somebody to sleep. The easiest way to do that is to do a cot like this. You can fold it up. This comes with a carrying case. You can put it in the carrying case and you can put this in a closet. This particular one even comes with a special pad, and we're going to show you how that works in a second. But I will go ahead and point out a few of the things I like about this cot. One of them, it has double and triple stitching all around it, which is really nice. Heavy duty like canvas material, easy to clean, and should give you years of service. But you have stitching 2 rows here, and the edges are stitched, and you have cross stitching. So the frame itself is very heavy duty metal with little plastic hinges, and it has a lot of it, so this thing can hold a lot of weight. It actually has plastic feet, so it keeps from marring nice floors if you have a good floor like this one, and you don't want it digging in and scratching your floors. So you're going to fold this open just like this, and you're going to push this side down. You'll hear it click, and you got to push this one too, and boom, you are down. Now you're going to notice on this side here, guys, it is shaped up. That is the sign of a really good quality cot. And the reason I say that is a lot of them are flat here. And if you've ever slept on a cot, it's extremely painful because the flat ones, your pillow falls off all night and you're reaching down there, grabbing it and trying to pull it back. This keeps your pillow from ending up on the floor. And yet it doesn't really hurt your neck because when you lay on it, it surprisingly works very well. So this is the actual cot. This is what comes with it, the cushion part. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys, it's not super thick, but it's thick enough that it's going to give you a little bit of extra padding. And that's really going to help if you're going to put like a sleeping bag on here or your own bedding on top of it. If you didn't have this and you just put your own bedding on, it'll be okay, but it's not going to be a very comfortable sleep. This gives you a little bit of extra, kind of like having a mattress at home. Now, how this attaches, it has these straps. This side, you'll have 2 of them. You just take them and strap them on. This side has the actual piece that just folds over and clips, just like this. And now it's in place. So you that quick already, you can have this set up in literally 60 seconds. Be putting your bedding on it and getting ready for bed. When you get done, fold it up, put it in the bag, set it in a closet, put it out in your garage. If you're traveling and you're going to go camping, throw it in the truck, whatever it is that you're doing, but it's extremely quick and extremely efficient. And this thing will hold a lot of weight. I believe it's somewhere over 300 pounds that this thing can actually hold up. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, guys, I would have to give it 5 stars. I think it's awesome, heavy made. Love the fact they give you the cushion with it. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. Don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review.